Hello students, today we will discuss mixture, impure substances or mixture and types of mixtures. What is the mixture? A mixture is a form of matter in which two or more pure substances, element or compounds are physically mixed in any proportion. Is called mixture. Types of mixtures. Mixtures are of two types. One is homogeneous mixture and second one is heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. In homogeneous mixture, we cannot differentiate between the two components as they are completely mixed with one another. Homogeneous mixture has uniform composition through its mass. Example, salt in water. If you add salt in water, then salt is completely dissolved in water and you can't differentiate between two components, salt and water. Whose salt and whose water you can differentiate. So this type of solution is called homogeneous mixture. Okay students, a homogeneous mixture of two substances is called solution. And you know very well, solutions have two components, solute and solvent. Solute and solvent. Solute and solvent. Solute plus solvent equal to solution. Solute जिसकी क्वांटिटी को हम लेस लेते हैं उसको सोल्यूट बोलते हैं, जिसकी क्वांटिटी मोर क्वांटिटी में लेते हैं उसको सॉल्वेंट बोलते हैं. सपोज दैट वी से दैट सॉल्ट इन वाटर, देन सॉल्ट इज सोल्यूट एंड water is solvent in the solution. Now heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture. In heterogeneous mixture we can easily distinguish between the components. Heterogeneous mixture does not have a uniform composition throughout the bulk. If we say that sand in water, you can identify easily water molecules and salt molecules in sand in water. So this solution is called heterogeneous solution. Next, heterogeneous mixture may be defined as a mixture in which substances are not uniformly mixed with one another and have a boundary of separation. Okay, this is the types of mixture. Now characteristic of mixtures. One is mixture have variable compositions, no fixed composition, variable compositions. Second one, formation of mixture is a physical change. You can add two or more any components, then mixture make. So physical change. Third, mixture may be heterogeneous or homogeneous in nature, and you identify also mixture may be heterogeneous or homogeneous in a nature. If we say that alcohol in water, then the solution will be type homogeneous or heterogeneous. Yes students, homogeneous, because alcohol completely dissolved in water, so the solution mixture is homogeneous. Okay, 4, components of a mixture can be separated by physical method like as filtration. 5, the mixture do not have fixed melting and boiling point. कोई फिक्स मेल्टिंग एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट नहीं होता, वेरिएबल होता है एंड डिपेंड करता है सॉल्यूट एंड सॉल्वेंट की क्वांटिटी के ऊपर. 6, मिक्सचर शोज प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ ऑल इट्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूंट्स. जितने भी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंट पार्टिकल्स हैं वो सब उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज को शो करते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज द सब मिक्सचर एंड वी स्टडीड दैट types of mixture and characteristics of mixture. Thank you.